I'm Wangsness, OnLogic Sales Engineer. Remote deployments of IT equipment for the oil and gas industry present unique challenges that must be planned for to ensure project success. Having worked with clients on projects in the industry, here are 4 things to keep in mind when deploying industrial PCs at the edge. Wells, tanks, pipelines, or other remote infrastructure are often located in extreme environments, which should be front of mind when considering your computer hardware requirements. If so, you should consider a fanless PC. A typical off-the-shelf PC is usually cooled with a fan, which works fine in an office environment, but installing that same PC in a dirty or dusty environment means that the airborne debris can infiltrate the system through the vents and wreak havoc on internal componentry. Fanless and ventless industrial PCs protect against this type of ingress. Paired with an SSD results in a PC with no moving parts to wear out or fail. In the oil and gas industry, more often than not, the answer is no. Deploying at the edge means dealing with temperature swings at your production site. Many PCs may not boot up at temperatures below freezing and can easily overheat at higher temperatures. Rugged PCs rated for wide operating temperatures will be the best solution to ensure successful deployment outside of temperature-controlled environments. Speaking of where PCs will be installed, are you planning to mount it directly to the machinery or maybe in a vehicle? A typical PC will fall apart over time if exposed to a vibration, literally shaking itself apart. You'll want to keep this in mind when choosing hardware and look for systems that are solid state, minimize the use of cables, and perhaps have been tested to standards like mil-spec 810G and similar. Industrial PCs are equipped to take direct DC input and accommodate variable power feeds from your industrial power supply, giving you the flexibility to deploy where wall outlets aren't available. Ignoring the power requirement of a project until the end is an all too common pitfall and can result in costly delays, so be sure to consider this at every stage of your hardware selection process. Ultimately, these are just a few of the criteria you want to consider when choosing hardware for your oil and gas project, but by no means is this an exhaustive list. If you have questions or are ready to get started with your next project, contact our team of solution specialists. We look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for watching.